Biotic factors are any living organisms that affect another living organism within an ecosystem. This animal here has to eat, so it's going to eat the vegetation. This animal is a living organism, and when it eats the plants, it's going to kill the plants. Therefore, it is a biotic factor that has affected the plants within this ecosystem. Pathogens are another example of a biotic factor, as they are living organisms that affect other organisms within an ecosystem. In this case here, the pathogen will kill the plant vegetation. So if there is therefore no food for the animal, that means a lack of living organisms will affect the animal. If there is no food, that means that is a biotic factor affecting the animal. Another biotic relationship that exists within an ecosystem is the predator-prey relationship. In this example, the caterpillar is the prey and the bird is the predator. So as the bird is a living organism and it eats the caterpillar, it is a biotic factor that is affecting the numbers of caterpillars within that ecosystem. This here is a red squirrel and this is a grey squirrel, and there is competition between the two organisms. The red and grey squirrel are going to compete for food, they're going to compete for habitat, and they're going to compete for mates. So because the grey squirrel is better adapted to its environment, it is more likely to survive, and it did, so it outcompeted the red squirrel. This is another example of a biotic factor increasing the numbers of grey squirrels in Britain. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers are going to follow, and if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.